The recent pandemic has led to new challenges that require innovative solutions. L&T Technology Services strives to find ingenious solutions to these challenges. Our cutting-edge solution, i-BEMS Shield, uses new-age technologies like AI/ML, IoT and big data analytics to address one such challenge of ensuring people's health and safety in buildings like workplaces, hotels, malls, transportation hubs, etc. How? By performing automated temperature screening and detection, intelligently enabling social distancing, and monitoring the building's air quality. This minimizes the risk on campus and promises security to the occupants. Let's see i-BEMS Shield's amazing features in action. When visitors or employees arrive at the entry point, i-BEMS Shield's automated temperature detection kicks into action and detects their absolute body temperature. If it detects a person with a high temperature, the GDPR-compliant face detection and tracking feature captures and anonymizes the face and sends it to the respective authorities, who have the required permission to take immediate action. It also detects if a person is wearing a mask and can be programmed to allow entry to only people wearing masks. The Occupancy Management feature uses a high-accuracy, real-time people counter to gain complete visibility into the area, zone or floor-wise occupancy levels. If a set limit is exceeded, the system sends occupancy alerts. It can also perform real-time social distancing monitoring through video analytics to create a dashboard displaying the distances between people and sending alerts for any violations. i-BEMS Shield's air quality management performs floor-wise and zone-wise air quality monitoring, reporting, analysis, and benchmarking in real time to prevent transmission. The solution also supports contact tracing by integrating with your local contact tracing mobile app. i-BEMS Shield is a modular, scalable system that provides centralized control and automated, non-intrusive digital monitoring signage and policy enforcement. It is a part of our i-BEMS solution that empowers the world's smartest buildings and campuses. LTTS i-BEMS is a system of systems that takes building management to the next level with its 4 expansive modules to fit every customer's requirement and budget. i-BEMS Shield provides your building a shield against infectious disease transmissions. i-BEMS Facility adds building management services on top of i-BEMS Shield. i-BEMS Plus further integrates AI and smart technologies to your building management. i-BEMS Max is a holistic 360-degree building management solution. i-BEMS not only protects your building occupants, but enables happy, secure and confident visitors and employees who help accelerate your business to the next level. L&T Technology Services. Engineering the change.